In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable WebGPU in Firefox 141 on Windows step by step so you can check whether the feature is already active and turn it on if needed. This is a quick but useful setting for anyone testing graphics-heavy web apps, browser-based AI tools, or modern web experiences that rely on GPU acceleration. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your Windows computer. Once Firefox is open, go up to the address bar at the top of the browser. Click inside the address bar, then type about .config and press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to Firefox's advanced configuration page, where you can view and manage hidden browser preferences. If this is your first time opening this page, Firefox may display a warning message telling you that these settings are advanced and should only be changed if you know what you're doing. That's completely normal. On that warning page, click Accept the risk and continue. Or if you see a similar option, click Proceed with caution to continue to the configuration settings. Once you're inside the advanced settings page, look at the search box at the top. Click in the search field and type dom.webgpu.enabled. Firefox will filter the preferences and show you the WebGPU setting you need. Now, locate the dom.webgpu.enabled preference in the list. This is the setting that controls whether WebGPU is enabled in Firefox. Check the value carefully. If the value is set to true, then WebGPU is already enabled on your browser and you do not need to make any changes. If you were expecting to turn it on and it is already true, you're all set. At this point, you can simply close the Settings tab and start using supported websites or apps that take advantage of WebGPU. If the value is not true in your setup, then your Firefox version or system configuration may be preventing it from being enabled. But for many users on Firefox 141 on Windows, checking this preference is the key first step. The important thing is that you now know exactly where to find it and how to verify the status. This is one of those hidden browser settings that can be really helpful when troubleshooting modern web features, so it's good to know how to access it quickly. If you found this guide useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Firefox tips, Windows tutorials, and simple how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.